होस्ट पैनिशा, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू आवर शो। और आज हमारे साथ खास बातचीत के लिए मौजूद है बोधितारो इंटरनेशनल स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल। चलिए जानते हैं क्या चीज़ इस स्कूल को बाकी स्कूल से बेहतर बनाती है। सबसे पहले स्वागत है आपका हमारे शो में।
थैंक यू।
मैं आपसे सबसे पहले एडमिशन प्रोसीजर के बारे में जानना चाहती हूँ। क्या प्रोसीजर है एडमिशन लेने के लिए?
प्रोसीजर बहुत ही सिंपल है, CBSE गाइडलाइंस के अकॉर्डिंग है और कोई तकलीफ़ हमारे यहाँ एडमिशन लेने में पेरेंट्स को नहीं होती। पेरेंट्स सिंपली विज़िट करते हैं, एक इंक्वायरी फॉर्म फिलअप करते हैं जिसमें वो बच्चे की डिटेल्स, किस क्लास में एडमिशन चाहिए, कहाँ बच्चा पहले पढ़ रहा था, उसकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ वगैरह उसमें डिटेल्स डालते हैं। उसके बाद हम पेरेंट्स को एक बच्चे मदर और फादर के साथ में इंटरेक्शन के लिए डेट देते हैं। उस डेट पे पेरेंट आता है, बच्चे के साथ में छोटी मोटी सी हल्की फुल्की सी बात की जाती है, जस्ट टू सी कि ये नहीं देखना चाहते हम कि बच्चे को कितना आता है, हम ये जज नहीं करते, हम सिर्फ ये देखना चाहते हैं कि हमें कहाँ से शुरू करना है। सो उसके लिए स्ट्रैटेजी प्लान की जाती है बच्चे के हिसाब से। एंड देन आफ्टर फ्यू डेज़ हम एक लिस्ट एडवर्टाइज़ करते हैं और पेरेंट्स को इंटीमेट करते हैं थ्रू कॉल, ईमेल that your child has been admitted. Once the child is through for the admission, then they are given a date to come and deposit the money as a fee for first quarter and purchase the books and the uniform.
नर्सरी के एडमिशन्स जो हैं आजकल बहुत मुश्किल हो गए हैं। नर्सरी के एडमिशन के लिए क्या प्रोसीजर रहता है और क्या इंटरव्यू में पेरेंट्स को बहुत ज़्यादा, जैसे कि बाकी स्कूल्स में हम देखते हैं कि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स जो हैं बहुत सारी लाइंस में लगते हैं, फिर उसके बाद उनका ऑडिशन होता है, फिर बच्चे से इंटरेक्शन होता है, तो यहाँ पर अलग क्या है?
लकीली ग्रेटर नोएडा की मैं अगर बात करूँ तो यहाँ पे इतना मारामारी नहीं है कि पेरेंट्स को इस कदर हैरेस होना पड़े या तकलीफ़ में जाना पड़े। यहाँ स्कूल्स की चॉइसेस बहुत हैं, सभी ब्रांडेड स्कूल्स हैं, अच्छे स्कूल्स हैं। और हम जैसे स्कूल जो कि थोड़ा सा अलग हट के अपने स्कूल को रन कर रहे हैं, एज सच कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। पेरेंट्स को लाइन में यहाँ किसी भी स्कूल में नहीं लगना पड़ता। पेरेंट्स आते हैं, उनकी चॉइस के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, एंड दे फाइंड आउट, एंड इफ़ द वैकेंसीज आर देयर देन द एडमिशंस इज गिवन।
फीस स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो फीस स्ट्रक्चर क्या है?
फीस स्ट्रक्चर डेफिनेटली एज पर द स्टेट ऑर्डिनेंस अभी लेटेस्ट आया है जो, उसके हिसाब से है। वी डू नॉट चार्ज एनीथिंग एक्सुबरेंटली और एनीथिंग to make school or education a business, but yes, whatever facilities and things that we provide to the children in the school environment, they all cost money. So we just try to give that to the children or to the parents so that their overall development can take place, because if we do not give those facilities, then we are not able to fulfill the complete personality.
तो अदर कैटेगरी के लोगों के लिए क्या डिस्काउंट है या कुछ परसेंटेज हो?
We actually give preference to the underprivileged parents also, and we also have a very good policy to encourage the girl child admissions, because generally in a family if there are two girls and one boy, so the parents generally come for the boys admission in good schools, but then if we get to know, we offer them free admission to the girl child on the admission fees. We waive off the complete admission fees, and only on the tuition fees we take the girl child. We give a lot of discounts to them, and this way the parent is able to send their daughter also to this school.
तो स्पेशल चाइल्ड के लिए कोई प्रोविजन है आपके?
A special child as such, I do not have any specially trained teachers to handle those children, and I personally feel that those children should be sent to the special schools if they are having such kind of problems. But yes, small little problems if the children are facing, then we handle them at the school by dealing with them, by counseling the parent and the children. And I have some connections with good child psychologists, those who visit our school time to time, and they meet the parent and they help the child. in case there is a need.
फैसिलिटीज़ की बात करें तो एजुकेशन के अलावा कौन कौन सी फैसिलिटीज़ हैं?
We have almost 32 areas where we help the children, where we help the parents, and where we provide all those things like smart board classes, that is the digital boards are there, CCTV cameras are there, the buses are under GPS system, there is a nanny lady guard in the buses. In the classroom also with the teacher there is an educated nanny who help the children. Then inside the school premises, I do not have any male employee as such. They are not allowed during the school hours, so we keep them out, especially the drivers and the karamcharis. They don't enter the school till the time school is running. Then we have extra classes in the school timings. Those we call as remedial classes, for which we do not charge anything. We have summer classes during the summer holidays. Some parents wish that the child should be educated or should be given at least 1 or 2 hours during the summer holidays. So we provide that also without any charges. And I'm going to say the books, we follow the Exceed curriculum. Then
CBSE guidelines.
CBSE guidelines, absolutely. So there are such kind of facilities that we provide.
जो है स्कूल के अलावा भी बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को अलग से ट्यूशन लगवानी पड़ती है, तो आपके स्कूल में ऐसा क्या है कि
एक्चुअली जो हम curriculum follow करते हैं, that is absolutely mapped with the NCERT and CBSE guidelines. The books are provided to us by Exceed curriculum, Exceed company, and their books are very well written, and very good content is there provided to the children. We make sure that through those books we are able to make the child understand a particular day's topic in such a manner that the child goes back home and is able to do the little bit of homework in case is given to the child on his own. That is our priority, that is our focus. Because if the child has not understood anything in the class, then he or she will not be able to do anything at home. Secondly, we do not have a daily homework policy. We do not give big homeworks to the children. Up till class 5, we give 2 times in a week, 3 times sometimes, to 3rd to 5th.
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होने वाला था, क्योंकि आजकल जो है बच्चे पे प्रेशर नहीं होता बल्कि पेरेंट्स पे प्रेशर आ जाता है.
We don't have that system in our school. We do not, our parents feel very relaxed, our parents feel very free. They do not have any stress or tension thinking that बच्चे को पढ़ाना है, because we do at least 80% of responsibilities, take on the responsibilities of academics, and 20%, yes, definitely the parents should know what the child is doing in the class, and every day if they can just discuss about that particular topic, if they can just help the child to read the chapter once again in the house, that is enough for us. Because our children do not go tuitions, because they are so well prepared and they understand the topic and the concept so well that they don't need a tuition for that. Secondly, we have remedial classes system in the school, where if we feel a child is lacking in a particular area, the teacher is aware of that. So we speak to the parents, and from 2:30, once the school gets over, till 3:30, we take that 1 hour extra, where parents take away their children at 3:30, and that 1 hour, especially for those weak children or those children who are not able to cope up, the teacher sits with them and gives them the guidance, and they come within 10 days extra class, they come up to the level of the school. That is very effective.
एजुकेशन के अलावा भी जो है फिजिकल एजुकेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. आजकल बच्चों को स्ट्रेस ना हो, मेंटली वो हेल्दी रहे.
Very true. We have a lot of opportunities for all these areas in our school. Yes, academics is the top priority of my school. But yes, physical fitness, mental fitness, emotional fitness, all those areas also we take great care. We have basketball court, we have football court, we have skating, we have karate, we have kho-kho as well, and then we have a 200-meter track where we give the athletic events to the children. We have tennis court. So all these physical fitness sports are available in our school, where time to time we keep on giving them small little competitions. Every Saturday is designed only activity based, because during the week children have one odd period for extracurricular activities, because more stress is given on the academics during the week. But on Saturday, for all 5-6 hours, children are doing their activities full-fledged with extra coaches who come from outside and do the coaching on Saturdays. We have dance and drama and theatre groups also. We have few those clubs as well, like we have eco club, we have mathematics club, we have scientific club, we have literature club, where children, those who are interested in these areas, they are helped. Yeah, so we take care of all the complete personality of a child.
अगर हम सिक्योरिटी की बात करें, आज पेरेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा चिंता में रहते हैं कि हमारा बच्चा बाहर रहेगा, वो कैसा है, और तो उसके लिए क्या सिक्योरिटी पर्पस और क्या सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स हैं?
We have a software and which is connected with the RFID I cards also. Plus we have a system of camera in the buses and sending a message once the child reaches the school. The child leaves the school. We have escort cards which a child's parent is issued in the beginning of the session. That escort card, even a mother or a father is coming to take the child from the school, even they have to provide that escort card to us. And that escort card has options for 4 photographs, one of the child, one of the mother and father, and there is one more that if the parent has some system sending some driver or maybe van or maybe maid or some worker of their factory or office or company, so that person's photograph is also pasted on that escort card. Only that person other than the parent can come and collect the child, otherwise we don't hand over, and our parents are very well aware of it. They don't do that, they don't break this rule. Even on the bus stop, parents show that card to the nanny and the driver, then only we hand over the child. If we don't find any parent on the stop, or they ask us that they will be delayed for another 15-20 minutes, we bring the child back to the school. And parents then come to the school and collect the child from here.
अगर CCTV की बात करें तो CCTV कैमरास जो है हर जगह इंस्टॉल है?
We have around 40 CCTV camera in this campus of 2 floors, and we cover all the sports area, basement, all the activity areas, all the classrooms, office area, outside of the bathroom, all that area is covered with the CCTV coverage.
Wow. तो मुझे आज जानने में मिला कि ये कंप्लीट पैकेज है, एक बच्चा सिक्योरिटी के मामले में भी, एजुकेशन के मामले में भी, अदर एक्टिविटीज़ के मामले में भी, सब तरीके से ये स्कूल एकदम परफेक्ट होता है एक चाइल्ड के लिए, और पेरेंट्स को कोई चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है अपने बच्चे को यहाँ पर भेजने के लिए। तो बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे ये सब जान के। थैंक यू सो मच हमारे साथ खास बातचीत के लिए जुड़ने के लिए।
थैंक यू।
सो पेरेंट्स, अगर आप सर्च कर रहे हैं एक अच्छे स्कूल के लिए अपने बच्चों के लिए, तो बोधितारो इंटरनेशनल स्कूल आपके लिए एक अच्छी चॉइस हो सकता है। ये ग्रेटर नोएडा में स्थित है। आप यहाँ पर आकर सारी फैसिलिटीज़ भी चेक कर सकते हैं, साथ ही आपका बच्चा यहाँ सिक्योर भी रहेगा। विद कैमरा पर्सन अरबाज, पानिशापुरी, नेटवर्क न्यूज़।
हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, साथ ही बेल आइकन को दबाएं। नेटवर्क न्यूज़ की खबरें सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।